Bonjour famille, bienvenue à la nouvelle épisode de Level Up French. Comment allez-vous? You got the question which I asked? This is a question which could be asked in any of the normal communication. This means how are you? Comment allez-vous? So, today in this video we are going to learn some of the basic French sentences which can be used in a normal communication. So, without any delay, let's hop into the video. Ta-da! The first sentence we have is Comment vous appelez-vous? Which means what's your name? Comment vous appelez-vous? Now this is the most common conversation starter. What's your name? There is a more informal way to say this statement which is Comment t'appelles-tu? Comment t'appelles-tu? This particular statement is just used for younger ones. Comment vous appelez-vous? This sentence is a formal sentence which can be used officially or with elders. Now, how can you continue the conversation after the sentence? You can do it by saying Je m'appelle, which means my name is. Moving further, the second one we have here is Enchanté de faire votre connaissance. Enchanté de faire votre connaissance. Pleased to make your acquaintance. This is the simplest way and the most common thing to tell the person you just met that you are pleased to meet them. Also, a formal sentence we have here is C'est un plaisir de vous rencontrer. It's pleasure to meet you. Now here we can see the note, which is very important. The E that you see at the end of the enchanté is added when a woman is speaking. Enchanté de faire votre connaissance. Now the third one we have here is Je viens de. Je viens de, which states I am from. For example, we have here is I am from Atlanta, Georgia in United States. So I could say it either Je viens des États-Unis or Je viens d'Atlanta. Now how the changes depending on the noun used. Since the word United States in French is plural, it uses they rather than the. And also when Atlanta begins with a vowel and the ends with an E, you drop the E in the. This rule applies only for words that end in E, that are directly next to the words beginning in a vowel. Words ending in an A, O, U and Y are never connected in that fashion. So, je viens de means I am from. The next one is j'habite à. J'habite à. I live in. As a general rule, if the country you live in ends with an E in French, it's a feminine country and you'll use en in front of it. If the country you live in ends with anything but E, it's most likely a masculine country and you'll use O, unless of course the country is plural. Now we have some of the examples here. Concentrate please. J'habite à Paris. I live in Paris. But now here comes the main points. J'habite en France. J'habite en France. J'habite au Canada. J'habite au Canada. J'habite aux États-Unis. J'habite aux États-Unis. So the main statement goes like J'habite à. I live in. The fifth statement we have is Qu'est-ce que vous faites? Qu'est-ce que vous faites? What is your profession? Asking this question will give you a chance to hear and use words like un professeur, which means a teacher, un homme d'affaires, a businessman, un écrivain, a writer, and other job words. Qu'est-ce que vous faites? What is your profession? The next up we have qu'est-ce que vous aimez faire pendant votre temps libre? I repeat, qu'est-ce que vous aimez faire pendant votre temps libre? This sentence means, what do you do in your free time? This is a formal question saying, what do you do in your free time? Now, when it comes to an informal posing of question, it is stated as qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire pendant ton temps libre? I hope you are getting the difference that vous is replaced with tu in an informal question. This opens up a world of potential conversation and will help you practice vocabularies like regarder les films. Regarder les films. Watch movies. Écouter la radio. Écouter la radio means listening to the music. Faire du sport. Faire du sport means play sports and much more. I repeat the question. Qu'est-ce que vous aimez faire pendant votre temps libre? The seventh one we have is quel temps fait-il? Quel temps fait-il? How's the weather? Oh God, the weather. It's always the central part of the conversation, even in French. This phrase gives you a chance to put those weather's words. This phrase will give you a chance to put those weather words like le soleil. Le soleil means the sun. Les neiges. Les neiges, the clouds. La pluie, the rain. La pluie, the rain. And la neige, the snow. To good use depending on the season. Quel temps fait-il? How's the weather? The eighth one we have is est-ce que vous avez des frères et sœurs? Est-ce que vous avez des frères et sœurs? Do you have siblings? Here's the same question asked in the informal way. Est-ce que tu as des frères et sœurs? I hope now you're getting the difference of posing a question in a formal way and an informal way. Est-ce que vous avez des frères et sœurs? Do you have siblings? The next we have is quel est ton or votre film préféré? Quel est ton or votre film préféré? What's your favorite movie? You can also substitute movie for any other topic you'd like to discuss. Like livre, a book, un chanteur, a singer, a groupe de musique, a band, or even back to the weather, une saison, a season. So here we can see that only ton and votre gets replaced, but the rest of the framing question is the similar. We can continue the conversation of this question like mon film préféré est. My favorite movie is. The 10th one we have here is est-ce que vous avez visité? Est-ce que vous avez visité? Have you visited? For example, to ask have you visited Paris, you would say est-ce que vous avez visité Paris? Est-ce que vous avez visité Paris? Alright guys, so I hope that you've learned something new from the video. If you have any doubts, you can ask us in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Ne pas oublier à liker, partager et abonner à notre chaîne. Also, for more updates, don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Name of the page is mentioned here. So, we'll see you with something new in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye. Au revoir.